everyone, welcome back to my channel. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much always for the love and support. Now let's get right into this video. So today I actually have a Dollar Tree haul, and I'm going to start off by showing you guys these little glitter packets that they do have in the arts and crafts section. I always recommend when you go to the Dollar Tree or your local Dollar Tree to always check the craft section, because most of the time they have more things you can utilize for nails at the craft section than the actual nail section. So definitely always check that out, and I definitely recommend you always check out your nearby Dollar Tree, just because now they do range from $1.25 to $5, and they have a quite good selection, I'd say, for the price. So here we have 6 different individual packets of 0.84 ounces, which is 24 grams in each little bag. So I'm sorry, that's the total with all the packets, but I think each packet is 4 grams each. Yeah, so pretty much this is the 4 grams in each packet. So we have like a fuchsia, we have like a red tone, we have, a really pretty pink, a purple, a lighter like lilac color purple, and then we have like a fuchsia purplish color. So you can definitely use this for anything: encapsulation, polygel on top of your nail designs. You can mix them with polygel, with your acrylic, whatever you desire. So I always love to stack up on these when I do see them at my nearby Dollar Tree. I have a couple nearby. I do like to go to different ones just because sometimes depending on which one you go to, it does vary what they have, or sometimes they have other stuff that they don't have by the one maybe by your house. So I always like to go out of my way to, you know, just see around different Dollar Trees. So I did get this 2-piece glass dropper bottle, which I'm super excited about because I hadn't seen these in the past, or maybe I just wasn't looking. And like I mentioned, I did get this in particular in the craft section. It wasn't in the nail section or beauty section. It was in the craft section. So I do want to make like a video in the future. I would like to make like how I create my cuticle oils, and what you can add to them, and how you can make them really pretty and stuff like that. If you want to make your own, if you want to sell them, or if you just want to have them for yourself. So I thought this was great because they are also glass, so it makes it, you know, a bit fancy. So yeah, they are 20 ml each. Let me just open this up really quickly. Oh, it's stapled. I have my stapler remover here. I did. Oh, it's right here. 1 second. I'm sorry. Just grab my stapler remover. These literally come in handy. I think I got this, I think it was like Timu. Definitely recommend these stapler removers. So this is what the bottle looks like, and it does say 20 ml in the bottom. And it's a little dropper bottle. It's made out of glass, great quality. And then yeah, so I think these are great. And you don't necessarily have to do them with anything nail related, but since it's a nail channel, I definitely purchased these to make future videos on how I make my cuticle oils. So definitely recommend stopping by your Dollar Tree once again. I'm not ready to open these or anything like that, so I am going to go ahead and staple them back together. Okay, that was a fail, but I definitely recommend. I really was happy to find those. Then I went ahead and got me a spray bottle because you always need these. I was like picking them up when I find them. They have such a cute variety. Last time I think I brought different ones that I showed. They were a little bit different. They were travel size. One was like for a lotion or an oil, and the other one was more for a spray, like whether it was alcohol, slip solution, or whatever you like. This I'm planning to probably put in here alcohol, just for when I'm working with my nose and I just need to quickly spray. I find these super convenient and I really liked how pretty they were. They have a whole bunch of different ones, different designs. They definitely have a variety. And next I found this really cute buffer. This is a yin yang nail buffer and I thought this was really cute. I don't have anything unlike it. It also explains to you how to use it. And yeah, so let's see. So it says step 1 here. It does say file nail edge, and then step 2, remove ridges. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so it does have 4 steps total. The first step does say file nail edge. The second step says remove ridges, and when you turn it towards the back, it says step 3 smooth nail, and step 4 shine nail. So this is really, really neat. I thought this was really cute. I don't have anything like it, so yeah, definitely really like that. Next, I did get some storage containers. I did purchase this in the craft section of the Dollar Tree. This is a 6-piece as well, and I really like these just because they're very versatile, and also you can definitely use this for rhinestones. You can use this for shape glitters, fine glitters, you know, anything you desire that can really help you to organize your nail items. And I thought these were perfect for glitter. That's what I'm thinking of using them for. Then I also found these jewels and gems. Well, that's what it says here, and it does bring 55 pieces. I also found this at the craft section. These, of course, you can always use them as a rhinestone design on your nails. You could definitely do a lot with these, and you can get very creative with other rhinestones and stuff like that. So I thought this was great. Only $1.25. That's why I am super happy with them actually upping the prices in the Dollar Tree, because they do have more like variety now. And it's not necessarily more than $1.25, because everything that I have shown here thus far has only been $1.25. And then these press-ons are really nice as well. They bring 12 pieces. They do not include the glue, and they are very nice quality. I will open them up to show you guys. It does say the preparation, the application, and removal in the back, and they're only $1.25. So you cannot go wrong with the price. It has been raining all day long where I live. So I was waiting. That's why I haven't really filmed, because I didn't want the rain to be in the background. So these are really nice quality. What I always like about their press-ons is at the top it's flimsy, which is what you want for when you apply it towards the cuticle. It is seamless, just like this, like how I'm showing it. And the apex is beautiful. The shape is as well, and then towards the bottom it does get stiffer, which is the way that I prefer my press-ons. So yeah, I'm very happy with these. I can't wait to make videos. I know I've been saying that I'm going to make tutorials and stuff, but it's just that I have so many video ideas, and since I've been gone for a while, I'm trying to keep up with trying to show you everything that I have gotten. And at the same time, I do need to prepare to create content and stuff like that. So I apologize, but just please be patient with me. But yeah, these are really nice. Really nice and good quality. Okay, so next I have these storage containers, and these are a little bit smaller in height, and they do bring 8 pieces. The other one were a little bit taller containers. These are smaller ones, which are perfect, I think, for these 4-gram glitters. Or you can also place your rhinestones in there as well. So this was also $1.25. They do have a lot of storage type of stuff there at the Dollar Tree, so it's really nice because you can always utilize these type of organizational containers to store your stuff in, and it won't cost you a fortune. So these are stirrers, and these bring 4 pieces. I actually got these in the party section because they do have a lot of like summery beach theme type tropical themes right now for party stuff or maybe like get-togethers. And I thought these were super pretty. They have little pineapples and little scoopers at the end. So I am going to be using these to scoop out glitter. I thought this was perfect and super cute. Only $1.25. And I'm so sorry if you guys hear snoring in the background. My dog is sleeping, and he does tend to snore here and there. But yeah, so these were super cute, and I have 4 of them now, and I could always use them for glitter, like as a scoop for glitter if I'm mixing glitters or anything like that. So I'm really happy. Usually before videos when I had like done DIY acrylic glitter powders or anything of that sort, I would show you guys. I'm trying to see if I could find it really quickly. I would show you guys the ones that I had gotten on Shein, which are like this. Sorry, they're a little bit dirty. I think it's from like past filming videos that I had done with acrylic and glitter, but yeah, so usually I would buy these really cute like little teaspoon type of spoons from Shein, but I found these and I thought they were super cute as well. So I'm definitely going to be utilizing this for that in a near future video when I am doing that type of content. So yeah, I thought that was like one of the cutest things that I found. I was super happy with that. So yeah, next, moving on, I went ahead and found these glitter shakers. These are 4 pieces, and they are each 3 grams. In total, you do get 12 grams because you get 4. And I like these little glitter shakers just because of the dispenser is just perfect and it doesn't get so messy. Or you can always obviously take out the lid as well and do it with one of these little spoons or stirrers or little tea spoons that you can get anywhere. But yeah, I always love collecting glitter. I think you can never have enough glitter. I think I have some glitters here that I've never really used. But for example, I love to mix these type of glitters like this with finer glitter and then with shaped glitter. Like for example, here we have little sea turtles. Let's say a really cute sea aquarium mermaid type of nail look. You can definitely utilize this type of glitter, or also something like these as well. We have little shaped dolphins, and you can also utilize colors like this. These are pigment powders. There's just a bunch of stuff that you can incorporate all in one, and it's just super fun. I have like these hexagon shaped glitters that you can just do your own mix and stuff like that, which is always a lot of fun. You can definitely dive in your creativity. So yeah, I have that. And then next I have these DIY fashion gems, and then here it says that you can use it on footwear, tech, accessories, sunglasses, and more. So I was planning on using these for those are the other things that you can add it on and stuff like that, but I will be using these as rhinestones to do really cute nail sets and stuff like that. You get pearls, you get little rhinestones, flat back, and little flowers. I thought that was really cute. So I got that, and everything so far has been $1.25. I don't think anything was over that. And then next I have these nail wraps, which I do have to make a video as well, showing you guys how to apply nail wraps, and maybe you end up liking them. I have had various companies send me nail wraps in the past, and I've also made videos in the past showing and demonstrating. But yeah, these are like a marble type of look, and you get 12 units or 12 pieces, and then in the back it also tells you instructions. So I thought these were cute. Only $125 once again. There's like no space up here. And then lastly for today's video, I know it wasn't super long or anything, but I do have these other nail wraps that I found. I thought they're really cute and unique, and they were only $1.25, so I thought they were super cute. They definitely do tend to change their stuff weekly, at least the locations where I go, which is really, really helpful when filming videos and stuff like that and showing you guys what they have, just in case you want to head on over and check them out and get it for yourself. But yeah, so that is pretty much it for today's video. But for those who haven't watched my last Dollar Tree video that I created, these are actually at the Dollar Tree. This was the last one. I guess people really like these, and I definitely love them. This is a really cute cuticle oil, and it has like rocks inside. This is the name of the rocks and everything. This is a 6.5 ml, and what I like is I like the dropper, because you just click this button up here and like the oil comes out. So that's really neat. I've never seen that before. So yeah, really, really cute at the Dollar Tree for $125. It smells really nice and natural. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching, and supporting me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and just thank you so much for supporting my channel, watching my content. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys definitely motivate me to keep going and to never give up on my YouTube channel. I'm already going on year 3, even though I did take like a year off. But yeah, I'm happy to be back. Thank you so much for all who still support me, who comment, who watch my content. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm giggling because my dog, he just loves to snore when I'm filming. But anyways, you gotta love him. So I'll see you guys in the next video.